Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest in tech and gadgets.
Today, we have something truly special for you. The Phanteks NV5 mid-tower chassis.
Let's dive right in and see what this beauty has to offer.
The Phanteks NV5 boasts a stunning near-seamless glass design, offering you a picture-perfect view of your PC components. With its premium build quality and reinforced outer frame, this chassis not only looks sleek but is also built to last. But it's not just about looks. The NV5 delivers exceptional airflow performance thanks to its fine mesh design, dust filter,
and support for up to 8 120mm fans. And if you're into water cooling,
fear not. This chassis is ready for ultimate water cooling configurations with support for dual 360 radiators.
Now, let's talk about aesthetics.
The integrated DRGB lighting in the PSU cover adds a touch of style to your build. And with the built-in DRGB controller, customization is a breeze.
Whether you want subtle lighting effects or a vibrant showcase, the NV5 has you covered. Cable management can be a headache, but not with the NV5. Its removable PSU cover allows for easy access to power cables, while the spacious interior accommodates modern GPUs and cables with ease. Plus, with dedicated GPU fan support and versatile GPU brackets, your components stay cool and secure. In conclusion, the Phanteks NV5 mid-tower chassis combines style, performance, and functionality into one sleek package. Whether you're a PC enthusiast, gamer, or business user, this chassis ticks all the boxes. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, happy building!